Tori, look at all the boxes we gotta open.
Oh, dude, no way, arcade!
Greetings, fellow nerds. Welcome to another Backlog Battles unboxing. I'm your host, Geo the Distractible Gamer. With me today are my co-hosts, Depo and the Dude. And today we're doing Nerd Block Juniors. You want to show them? Here's one. Nerd Block Junior for boys, Nerd Block Junior for girls. Alright, so...
Okay, mine sit down.
It's alright. Wait, just wait. Okay. No. That. Alright, so you go ahead and take one thing out. Don't look though. Yeah, like this. Reach your hand in.
It's a little...
What is it?
It's a little...
Then you gotta show it, yeah.
Pushy. It's a little guy from Monsters Inc.
What's his name? Do you know?
He is named...
Is that a Beanie Baby?
Nope. Yes.
It's made... Sully?
Sully.
It is, but it's made by
Sully.
the Beanie Baby people. Ty. Alright.
We're gonna grab whatever is
Alright, just
Sully.
one thing. Don't look.
There's this thing. I got Mikey.
Little Mikey.
Also made of Beanie Babies. Look, they're together.
Alright.
He's also very good juggling.
Yes.
Just saying.
Alright,
This
one
thing.
thing. No, don't look. It's cheating. What is that?
Whoa. This is a spinny hair robot
It's a troll. I didn't wait. No, wait.
that can spin its hair. It goes.
So hair dances to your favorite beats, and it is a robot troll. I didn't even know these things still existed, to be honest. They do call them Electro Kids, so it's a troll, but it's not a troll. Well, that's a troll. It even has the little belly button thing. What do you think? Is that pretty
Press
cool?
its belly, and then its hair goes.
Pick one.
I'll pick this. I got a little Lego Transformer thingy.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
I want to open
I
this.
will open it.
I want to open this, Daddy.
Put it.
Okay. I'll get her open.
Really?
There's a little dude inside, I
I'm
think.
gonna make that dude.
They're probably a little dude.
I don't know what to do.
Yep, little dude. It's probably this yellow guy because it has little yellow fingers. Okay, I don't need the instructions really.
No, you got it.
Yeah, it's so easy. At least I think so. Okay, I might need the instructions.
It is that yellow guy.
Yeah, it's the yellow creepy dude.
He's awesome. He looks like Star Wars.
Yeah, but it's Transformers. Ugh. This
You
thing
probably
does.
have to. Yeah, it's got batteries. So we gotta.
It's got batteries.
This thing is gonna take some work.
Can I open mine?
Uh-oh. Yeah, I
Did you
lost
lose
something.
Uh-oh. He lost his head.
No,
His
I
helmet.
didn't lose his head. I lost his bow and arrow.
Oh no. Oh no. I
Oh,
found
we can find it.
something.
You found it?
I found
Yeah.
Okay,
something.
go ahead and pull it out.
Can you pull
It's
the...
a little.
Whoa.
It's a.
Sure, you
mini-
gotta show it to the
I
camera.
got a mini pop figure
who is
of
it?
Anna from Frozen.
From Frozen.
And
Wait, just the one.
can you
Dude's
get the
turn.
head off?
Get
Your
that head
turn.
off.
Yeah.
I mean, out of this thing.
Yep. I kind of put it in.
There you go.
Let me see what his head looks like.
It kind of looks like Bumblebee.
Hey, I got Bumblebee.
Kind of.
What's going on here?
Wait, I need to get his head off because...
He did get. She did get.
Yeah,
Can you put its batteries in?
I'm gonna try.
Thank you, Daddy. Is it taking a video? Let's do this.
Is it what?
Is it taking a video? Oh, I know what that's for. It's taking, I think that's
Okay. Let's
Do you want to pull another thing out, or do you want to work on your transformer?
I'll work on this later. Maybe if I got it done in.
Look what I got. I got a whippy thingy.
Anyway, back to the thing. After sticking.
Yeah, that's weird.
You have to cut it out.
It comes out. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna have to find out how to get a screwdriver to do that. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna wait, but you can.
What is this?
I wonder.
I got another one of those, except it's
Whoa.
black
The black
and
one.
it looks punky. I really like this
honestly,
one.
it is
It's
the black one.
punky.
Daddy, she got that one.
Yeah.
I got a punky one, which I really like.
You got a punky one.
What
All right.
about
Well,
its
we can't
glasses?
open it up because we will later, but
Can I take
it won't do any
thing
good
out?
without a screwdriver. Go ahead, pick one. Hang on. What's that? You got a show.
It's a sticker.
What kind of stickers are those?
My little bunny stickers with Pinkie Pie with a lollipop.
Ooh, Pinkie Pie and a lollipop. Who's that one down there?
Applejack.
Who's that one?
Twilight Sparkle.
Who's that one?
Rarity.
Who's that one?
Princess.
Is it the bad princess?
No,
Oh,
she's good, but she's the night girl.
the Icona princess of this deal.
Yeah.
All right, dude, you want to pull something out of yours?
Yes. Just working on my little Lego guy.
What'd you get?
I got a book.
What's it called?
It is
Oh,
called
that's
the.
The Wicker Wonkers.
Squicker Wonkers. Whatever. It's weird.
Who wrote it? Evangeline Lilly. Okay.
And I got the same
You
thing.
got the same book.
See, it's the same thing.
We could read it together. Like a reading buddy thing.
So the Squicker Wonkers by Evangeline Lilly.
Okay.
She's an actress. I want to say she played Jean Grey in X-Men. This looks cool though. Alright, did you get one more? Because she pulled one out. She pulled her book out too.
And last but not least, I got Spider-Man stickers.
Are those stickers? What is that? Let me see.
Says tattoos, actually.
Spider-Man tattoos. I don't have any Spider-Man tattoos.
That's it, basically.
That's it?
And I'm
Bye,
almost done with
Kovac.
my guy.
My honor ran
Ah!
away from me.
Uh-oh. Okay, go get it. So that is it for Nerd Block Junior Girls. What was your favorite thing in this?
And boys.
You're next. You like the squishy?
Yeah,
Huh?
The Sally squishy?
yeah,
You
I
said
like the
squishy.
Sally.
What is your favorite thing?
I really like my punk swirly guy and my little Lego figure, which I'm almost done with.
Yeah. All right. So if you had to rate this between 1 and 10, 1 being really bad and 10 being really good, any number in between, what
See?
number would you pick?
I'm done.
I would pick 100.
100 out of 10. All right.
100.
What number do you pick, dude?
100.
102.
Wait, I pick 1,000 actually.
Whoa.
Google Flex.
All right,
Me
we're gonna
too.
keep one-upping each other. So that is gonna be it for
Backlog Battles.
Nerd Block
Unboxing.
Junior. Yep. I'm going to go find out how much all this costs, and I'll give the value recap here, and we'll see you guys in a bit. And I'm back. It's like herding cats here. All right, so while they play with the toys, I don't have them, so I can't show you. But I went ahead and looked up the values for each of them. So the Electro Kids, they both got one. That's going to be, they're listed for $15, but I found some on sale for $5, so I put $5 to $15 because they may not always be on sale. The Pocket Pop, which was Anna in this case from Frozen, they usually go for around $9. They're just a little bit cheaper than the bigger ones. So that was the little tiny figure in the girls box. In the boys box, we got this Creon Warrior. And as far as I can tell, they don't make these anymore. The ones that I did find were about $9. But that was on eBay. So I have no idea what the MSRP on these things are, because I could not find one. The Beanie Balls, they've got them. That's the Sully and the Mike. Those were going for $10, new on Amazon. My Little Pony stickers, they're 3-dimensional. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, see, they pop out. These things were like $2. I want to say also on Amazon. I had to look it up by the UPC because there's a lot of different My Little Pony stickers. And then the Ultimate Spider-Man tattoos also on Amazon were $4. So a little more expensive over here on the boys' side. It's cool they got the Iron Spider from the Civil War there. And then the book by Evangeline Lilly doesn't have a price on it, but I did find copies of it on Amazon, and each of the copies were $17. So the value for both of them are relatively the same. As you can see, for the boys and the girls, they kind of keep relatively similar items. So you both had Electro Kids, both got a tiny figure, both got a beanie ball, both got some sort of little thing like stickers and tattoos, and then both got a books. The tattoos were a little more expensive, so the boys one is a little better value wise. So for the girls box, you have between $43 and $53, and then for the boys box, you have between $45 and $55. Each box was $20, so 43 would be 2.15, round up to 2.2 times value to 2.7 times value, and then with the girls it would be 2.3 to 2.8 times value. So very good value for your dollar for the two boxes. And I have two girls, but you know, one boy box and one girl box, they're so similar that it's not really gonna matter. They're just, you know, kids boxes. Kids play with all kinds of toys. There aren't girl toys and boy toys. So yes, that is it for today's unboxing. That was the Nerd Block Junior boy and girl, and until next time, nerd life, yo.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our unboxing. Be sure to tune in on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays for other boxes, extra stuff and things. Be sure to tune in at the end of the month as well, because we're gonna do a ranking of all the boxes in order of most favorite, least favorite. We're gonna talk about all of that. Also, if you want your own boxes, be sure to check the links below. they'll not only do they help the channel, but you might also save a few bucks as well with some of them. Be also sure to subscribe, like the video if you like what we're doing, share it with your friends, get the word out and everything. And don't forget to watch some of our other videos as well in case there's something that you missed, or good stuff. I'm sure you guys have seen them all anyways, because we're awesome, you're awesome. So, but if you want to watch them again, go for it. Are we done here?
Yeah, I think we're done here.
Okay.